time to crack Shrek out of the snow, ice, and mud, and bushes, and anything else that was going on, and try and breathe some life back into him. I guess Shrek is a boy, sorry. If you saw the slides I posted a while ago, you'll know that in 2011 I bought a wrecked Miata and rebuilt it into a running Miata, and then I let the kids drive it, and it's in this condition now. They like to hit everything, and the engine eventually went bad, and then in 2014 in 2014 the engine failed, and I didn't really have time to work on it. I tried a bunch of things, but I think it lost compression. I changed the head gaskets and the timing belt and everything, but couldn't get any compression. So it's either compression or the computer went bad and is no longer working. I don't know. So time for some updates. Let's check the inside out here. So it was I'm pretty sure it's an M or a C, one of the two that give it the tan interior. It originally had a tan roof, but I got a replacement black roof. Hopefully it's still in good shape. Got a bunch of stuff in here. Let's see, where's the trunk release? Oh no, that's rusty. Oh, that's nasty. I wonder how. Oh, that's really gross. Oh, it looks like there's some mouse nests in there. And that's rusting so tight. And then if we come up here to the hood, the nice paint job I gave it is all corroded now. This is what happens when it sits for 6 years or 7 years up in the woods in Washington with a tarp over it. Even though I had tarps over it, it still got full of these things from mice and every other critter that happened around. So I have a plan, and it is to put a 2007 drivetrain in it. So wish me luck. Just to give it a little bit of clarification, my wife dubbed it Shrek due to the color and the little bubble ears that are sticking out on it. So that's where that came from. So I picked up a 2007 Miata that was wrecked in the front. So it has a California lost title, and it's been transferred like 7 times. Sorry, I have it running already because the battery is totally wasted. But it's got the 2-liter Duratec engine in it, 16 valve. I know that a lot of people say it can't be done because this has the exhaust on the wrong side and the fuel line, so if I put it in the Miata in the 93 it'll be all messed up, but my plan is to take as much of the drivetrain out of this one as possible while keeping a limited slip differential. I don't think this one has one, but I might keep the differential out of the 93 because it's a 96 differential. This has the automatic with the paddle shifters. Can you see that right there? So I'm going to see if I can work that into the Miata, the 93. This has a cool red tan interior, so that'll keep with the C model or whatever it's called, or the M. Maybe it's an M. I don't remember. It's been too long. So most of this body is nice, so I'll probably part out what I don't need and keep the rest and use it. So I'll start off by disassembling this car. It's so close, I can't zoom out. And see what I can. Then once I get this all disassembled, the wiring harness, I'm not sure if I'll use the brakes out of here, but definitely the suspension, so probably the brakes and the ABS system and stuff like that. Put it in the other Miata. This one has dual exhaust also, so I'm not sure if I'll have to use this exhaust or if I can use my other exhaust. It's kind of dark under there. But it's nice, it's pretty clean under here. This car has 93,000 miles on it. The ABS light and something, DSC and traction control are on, or off, so it's got some issues. Let me know what you think. I'm thinking this one's a little wider, so I might have to get some nice flares for the fenders on the other Miata to get these wheels to fit in there nicely. These are 225 45 17s. The other ones are like 15 inches or 13. No, they're probably, no, they might be 13s. So these are quite a bit larger. It'd be cool to go with this style front headlight, but that would be a lot of work to get rid of the flip up, so I might just do the partial pop up. I'll give you a little rev so you there you have it. This is the project. Let me know what you think. If I should do anything specific, or if you have any good ideas.